It looks like it's down again. Probably. I installed that. I've never done that before, but decided that was a good idea. And I may have punctured the brand new tube, so we're aired up all the way. We were. I don't know. We'll see. But ran into a bit of an issue. I was going to install that, but again, I think I may have punctured it from not installing anything yet. But I'm not so sure my new tire is wide enough. It's pretty skinny. So that's a bit of an issue, but an even bigger issue is this right here. I ordered what I thought was the right one, and in extra heavy duty. 190/19. That don't fit in there. That don't fit in there at all. This is 2.75, and the old one is 90/19. So I gotta get a new tube. This may be too wide, but that is on the upside. That is the exact size as the Hawk 125 front tire, so may not be a total bust.